Customizing a PrestaShop theme lets you tailor your store's look to match your brand. Here's a simple guide. Access theme customization. Log into your PrestaShop admin panel and go to Design, Theme and Logo. Here you can upload a new logo, change the fav icon, and adjust basic design settings. Use theme settings. Many themes come with built-in customization options. Click on Customize your theme to access these settings. Options may include adjusting colors, fonts, or layout. Select the settings that best fit your brand. Edit modules on homepage. Go to Modules, Module Manager to manage modules that appear on the homepage. Customize modules like Image Slider, Featured Products, or Banner to change content, images, or display order on the homepage. Modify CSS and templates. For more detailed customization, go to Design, Advanced Customization. Here you can access the CSS and template files. Adjust CSS styles or modify HTML structure in TPL files for unique layout changes. Test and save changes. After each modification, click Save and preview the store to ensure it looks and functions as expected.